Section 66, capital E, capital B, subsection 2, capital A of the New South Wales Crimes Act makes it an offence to meet a child after grooming them for unlawful sexual activity. The maximum penalty for the offence is 15 years imprisonment if the child is under 14 years of age, or 12 years imprisonment if the child is over 14 and under 16 years of age. For you to be found guilty, the prosecution must prove beyond reasonable doubt that 1. You exposed a person to indecent material or provided them with an intoxicating substance, and 2. You then met or travelled to meet that person, and 3. You did this with the intention of making it easier to procure or get the person for unlawful sexual activity, and 4. The person was under the age of 16 years. The unlawful sexual activity does not have to be sexual intercourse. It can be unlawful sexual activity even if it does not involve any touching. And significantly, it does not matter that the person you were communicating with or met or travelled to meet was a child or not, as long as the person pretended to be a child and you believed that the person was a child. If the prosecution cannot prove the offence beyond reasonable doubt, you must be found not guilty. And it is a defence to the charge if you reasonably believed that the other person was not under 16 years old. In determining whether or not you are guilty, the court will look at a range of factors, including the circumstances leading up to the incident, the contents of any communications, any inquiries you made about the person's age and their response to those inquiries, if any, and any other relevant circumstances. If you wish to plead guilty or are found guilty, the court will look at a range of factors when imposing a penalty upon you, such as the age of the child or the age given by the adult pretending to be a child, the age difference between you and that person, whether you offered money or anything else, any planning, including how long you communicated with the other person, and any steps you took to conceal your identity, whether you in fact met the child, and also any personal features, including your age, any mental factors, your character, including whether or not you have any previous convictions.